What's up, guys? So, hope you guys are having a good day. Currently it's 6 a.m. and we just woke up like a few hours ago, but yeah, try to do a vlog today. I feel like I haven't put out content for a while, and yeah, just everything experimenting, doing content creating and like that, but yeah, let's just see how this goes. Like, I don't know. It's gonna be a typical vlog in my day, but also, like, I do want this thing to go in a direction where I want to help more people, like being fit or whatever, doing fitness content. But at the same time, it's more about like self-improvement, stuff like that. I don't like to bring up this topic because I feel like there's so many guys on the internet talking about it in a way where like many people would see it as like a pressure, or they get anxious, like, oh fuck, like my life is like this, but this guy on the internet is telling me like you're not supposed to do this, you're not supposed to fucking go out to drink, you're not supposed to do this and that. But to me, it's like I don't want to be going in that direction. I feel like that's just causing a lot of anxieties and triggering like a lot of pressure, and which is there's no point. Like, yeah, I'm gonna do a little grocery shopping. Yeah, just like life on break. I'm bored. Like, I don't know what to do. Just kind of my daily routine of like getting the stuff right. And for the next maybe like 30-40 days, I want to be able to do something better with my life instead of like wasting it. What's up, guys? So we just finished golfing and get some groceries for the house because I'm out of groceries. I have nothing to eat at home. Yeah, probably just gonna get some chicken, beef, stuff like that. Yeah, just the usual. These ND filters are kind of weird. Anyways, we're just gonna go get some groceries. I kind of just like chill for a little bit in here. I'll see you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? So we're arrived at home. Gonna go back to grab my car to get all the groceries back to my apartment. But anyways, like, it was a pretty good day. It's pretty chill, like I try to do more things. This whole day I did cardio. I'm about to hit the gym later. We're gonna hit upper, so it's gonna be fire. I think it's a pretty shoulder focus today. Actually, it's back focused. Because the day before, I did an upper that's upper chest focus, right? Chest focus. So I did another one is back focus, and then I do another upper day that's shoulder focus. I will take you guys through all of my workouts. I'm doing the upper lower split currently, and I'm really liking it. But I'm currently doing a deload, so I'm not doing as many sets as I did last week and for the past few weeks. because I don't feel like I could recover, like I just felt like my body couldn't recover that good, and I just couldn't go 100%. Yeah, so deload, gonna cut everything, working sets in half, and then just get the flow going, like hopefully next week and the week after that I'll be able to push myself again and go 100%. I'm kind of looking forward to it, but let's just hit that workout, go home, get the groceries, and I'll see you guys in a bit.
Yeah. And if you hear this and then go on, bend your back, go on, bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
I mean, it feels weird to back to vlogs again. So, I took a break from all the vlogging, like making videos and stuff, and try to really get better. So that's what I did, like I try to get more inspirations from creators or whatever and start filming my day more like a cinematic way. But yeah.